My 70-year-old grandma's anti-aging secret recipe of vitamin E face mask with honey. Yogurt is rich in wrinkle-preventing nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and fats which keep the skin fresh and hydrated. The lactic acid found in yogurt shrinks pores and tightens the skin. The purest form of bee's honey is nature's best moisturizer to deal with aging and to keep wrinkles at bay. Skin needs to be properly moisturized at all times. Honey contains antioxidants that repair the damage caused by free radicals and rejuvenate the skin. The bleaching properties of lemons work wonders to reduce the age spots and blemishes on the skin with regular use. This is an excellent natural remedy if you want to lighten your skin and get rid of age spots and other blemishes. Take 1 teaspoon of pure lemon juice and apply on the areas with dark patches, blemishes, and age spots. Vitamin E oil works to block free radicals from the body, which play a large part in the aging process. If we can fight off free radicals, then we can reduce wrinkles and keep the skin youthful looking. It is also good for wrinkles under the eyes. The turmeric makes the mask is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant. It brightens the skin and reduces skin pigmentation. The mask reduces lines and wrinkles on the face. It exfoliates the skin, reduces tan, and adds a glow to your skin. This is an anti-aging face mask for 10 years younger looking skin. Apply this anti-aging face mask at home to reduce wrinkles plus natural Botox. Young looking skin is what we always dream of. Wrinkles, crow's feet, fine lines, laugh lines, and dark spots are the biggest nightmares of any woman. Most of the women above the age of 30 spend thousands of rupees on many clinical procedures and anti-aging creams to get a youthful skin. We often wonder if anti-aging products suit our skin and question if they really work. If you are looking for an answer, then here is what you need to do. Now rinse off with warm water. It enhances skin radiance and diminishes the fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E helps the skin from free radical damage, while the vitamin C promotes collagen production, making the skin firm and smooth. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.